Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So I'm so excited. I got my winter Margot Elena box. I so look forward to getting this box. It's just a box full of awesome smells. Soaps, perfumes, you name it, this box has it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love and appreciate you guys. So let's get into this wonderful box. You can get this on an annual, quarterly, or just a one-off. And I want to say it's like 50 some odd dollars a box. And of course, all the information, the link, how much I pay, everything will be below. And it comes with this beautiful card, Light and Wonder. And let's see what's in here. Oh, what's inside? So we'll go through this. And it has this beautiful red holiday paper. And it says the wait is over, and yes, it is. So the first thing that I am pulling out of the bag is a bag, or the box is a bag. And who doesn't need an extra bag? And what's nice is if you're going somewhere and you want to bring a little gift, you can get the bag, you can bring your gift in the bag. So this is nice, and it says Beauty Within, and then it's got these beautiful flowers, and this bag smells amazing. So that's the first item, and I just have to show you how this box is wrapped. Everything is wrapped individually, so that is great. And this says I am fearless. Don't know what it is. Infinite Chi Fearless, don't know, and it looks like it's a hand lotion. Look at how beautiful this is packaged. And if you wanted to gift it, which I might, it's already packaged and ready to be wrapped. And let's see if it says that on my card. Of course, it's kind of hard to read my card. Ultra Lush Hand Cream, Infinity Chi. So that's what this is. It's a hand cream. Then I'll grab this little present. So you guys all having a great day, getting your shopping, wrapping, cooking done. Oh my goodness. This seems like it's a box. And it's got, can't get into it, but I do have my trusty scissors. Pardon me. Of course, all these great smells come with the cost of coughing. Okay, so I got this gift open, and look at this, it's like a tin can. And this is the Tokyo Milk Pure Decadence Salt Rock Golden Hour number 32. Okay. Is it a soap? Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this. It must be bath salts. I don't know if you can see it, but it's squishy. So I'm thinking it's bath salt. So I definitely don't want to open it because it will be all over my floor. But it does smell amazing. It's like if you had a running creek in your backyard, you would want to put this in there and just lay in there. That's how amazing it smells. So you can actually almost take it out of the bag, leave it in the box, and leave the box open. That's how amazing this smells. See if it has directions. It says add these add a heaping spoonful of the salts to a freshly drawn warm water. So they are a bath salt, and it's champagne and citrus. So beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and the next thing has a little bump. I just can't, it's like amazing. And as I said, this box cost me maybe 50 some odd dollars. And I use some and I give some, and this actually looks like a perfume bottle. And I love their perfumes. This is probably like the third box I got from them. And I have used every single one of their perfumes. So what is it that you all want for the holidays? Do you have a special gift you want? Are you not going to tell me because you don't want me to tell somebody? Or do you just enjoy buying for others? Now that I have my 6-month-old granddaughter, all I do is buy for her. I've already told my kids they're done getting presents because I just buy for the baby. And of course they have a dog, so I buy for the dog too because, you know, we don't want the dog to get upset. I'm only buying for the baby. And then my daughter in Germany, I just use Amazon, Amazon Germany to send her gifts. So look at this bottle. Oh my God, this bottle is amazing. And I'm assuming it's a perfume. The writing is too small to read on the back. And is it a twist off? Is it a spray? It's a spray. And I'm not gonna spray it because I don't want it to get like all over. But it has like an oceany scent to it. Oh my gosh. I still have hand lotion on, so it's kind of hard. Oh, but the smell is amazing. But look at that bottle. So I'm just gonna stick it up on my little sea salt chest. And it's the Lolia in Love Eau de Perfume. And that retails for $68. The hand cream retailed for $22. Where's that little chest? I don't see the little chest. I think the little chest is $18. So this box, it would definitely make a great gift. You can buy the box, you can pick it apart and just send out gifts. And this thing, I don't know what it is, but it smells great. I said this is just a box of awesome smells. And this is the Lolia, and I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. It's all wrapped up. It's got beautiful packaging. It smells great. And this is the Wish Mini Dusting Powder. It looks like it's a little powder. And I'm not gonna take it out. And that retails for $22. Oh my gosh. This is just like the holidays. And then the next thing we got, sorry. I wish I could have unwrapped all this, but then it would take the fun out of just like opening the box. Do any of you get this box? And I think when I first bought the box, there was a discount coupon for it. So if you're interested, check out to see if they offer a coupon for this. This is the Tokyo Milk Dark, and this is a candle. This almost smells like a men's cologne. It's got a strong scent to it. We'll read up on this, but this is kind of very strong. As I said, like a man would wear this. And this is the Eclipse candle, and it retails for $20. But yeah, this definitely has a strong smell to it. And then, this is the last thing in the box. Ooh, it's a hand sanitizer. And we all need a hand sanitizer. And this is infused with essential oil, and it's lemon and olive. Look at the size of that. And again, it's all packaged really nicely, and I do have a couple already by each sink. So I'm not going to take that out. And the hand sanitizer retails for $14. That tote bag was $22. And we have one more item. Happy New Year, and these are greeting cards. And who doesn't love a good greeting card? So this is the Infinity She, and it's just a Happy New Year greeting card. And let's see if I can open these without whipping them all up. So are you the type that sends out a greeting card? I know I really don't send out like the New Year cards or a holiday card. I'm really bad. I probably should, but I don't. I do enjoy getting the family Christmas cards that people send me with the pictures of their family or their kids. I do enjoy those. So this is 2023, and this is Slay All Day, and this is Sparkle and Shine. So these are really nice Christmas cards or holiday cards, and they have a value of $16.50. So the total price of this box retailed for $202.50. So you can't beat that. And I really like this little tote bag. So let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite item? And I know you can't smell, so it's kind of hard to pick your favorite item out of a box full of awesome smells. But I have to go with this. Just the bottle, and I'm telling you, this is like such a light perfume. So this is gonna be my new go-to. So as always, thank you so much for watching my video and being loyal to my channel, and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you the next one.